Solana is crashing, Bitcoin is crashing, and many long traders are now getting liquidated in the last 24 hours. What exactly has happened? Let's get straight to the point. Last time when I made a video, price of Bitcoin was at its all-time high at $110,000 approx. But as you can clearly see, in the same exact day, price from $109,000 fell all the way down till $100,000. Many long traders got liquidated within just couple of hours, and this is the reality of Bitcoin right now. It is manipulative, and 21 million supply is what makes it way too much manipulative. Anyone can manipulate the price, even some retailers, also some high leverage greedy traders. So just think what big companies can do. Also, now that the price of Bitcoin is inside this range right now, because I told you guys there has to be a no pump right now. Price of Bitcoin has to consolidate for some time, or we have to see a dump. But a pump in the price of Bitcoin is just a clear sign of manipulation right now, and the same thing is happening. So you can clearly see right now, this is the important support zone for Bitcoin. It made an all-time high, then got dumped. It also made another fake out all-time high, and now it is struggling. So the pump was simple. It was because of Trump's inauguration, and many, I would say, dumb retailers or dumb people went long, and the price pumped all the way up till $109,000. And when Trump decided that he will not cut tariffs, he will delay it, and we saw a huge dump. And also there will be no Bitcoin strategic reserve. It's so obvious. He's a politician, obviously he will lie to gather up some votes, and the same thing he did. He is not interested in crypto at all. It's just that these crypto companies are paying him, that's why he's just chilling. And this is the harsh reality. He did bought Bitcoin, Trump, but that is a wrapped Bitcoin and not a real Bitcoin. So that literally just denies the whole purpose of Bitcoin. So it is all just manipulative. And I'll be honest with you guys, under Joe Biden's administration, crypto was at least pumping, and the future looked bright. The future did not look full dark at all. But under Trump's administration, the companies who pay him, the companies that will rule the America and the world, and they can just scam in just public. These companies can scam you, these companies can manipulate the price of Bitcoin, and nothing will happen to them. Why? Because they are just bribing Trump right now. So yeah, this is it for Bitcoin. Currently I'm not taking any trade because it is in middle of nowhere. I'll wait for the price of Bitcoin to be come near my level, then only I'll take a trade. Talking about Solana right now, and we saw a huge pump in Solana just because Trump launched his own scam meme coin on Solana's blockchain. So we saw a huge pump along with Melania Trump. She also launched her own scam coin, and I did made a video about it. Do watch it as well, exposing all the scam that Trump and Melania did just before the inauguration. And the most important thing is that at the time of inauguration and his oath speech, he did not even mention crypto at all. So right now, and I already knew this candle was not supposed to be made. It was just made because of the scam coin that Trump launched, because Solana's price was already overbought and buyers were exhausted here only. But we saw a huge pump, and guess what? All the again greedy traders, high leverage long traders again got liquidated, again lost their money. When the price of Solana was pumping, they all went long. When the price of Solana made an all-time high of $297 approx, they went high leverage long, and guess what? They all are now wrecked. And I told you all that the price of Solana has to come down for a retest at this important white zone from 219 to 225. This is a very important support and resistance for Solana. So let's see. I'm not taking any trade now. I'll let you guys soon if I take a trade, but don't copy trade me. instead learn from that trade. This is it for today's video, and I just wanted to share what exactly is happening in the market right now. Full manipulation is going, and just retailers and gamblers trying to make quick money, and they are just hoping that some another idiot, more idiot than them, will buy the same asset at a higher price so that we can dump on them. This exactly the same chain is right now going on and on and on, and yeah, this is the reality. If you want to buy or trade crypto, you can do that on Bybit. Link is in the description and in the pinned comments. But if you don't want to trade or buy crypto, it's okay, no pressure promotion to you guys, and I'll see you guys next time.